Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back. And welcome if it's your first time. Thank you for joining us. You're very welcome. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe so you can join us on our adventures here in Albuquerque and around New Mexico and beyond. But today, just celebrating life. This may look familiar to you if you saw my Breaking Bad, Better Call Saul locations. But while I was here, I looked past this area and there was a sign that said Mill Pond. It looked like a little refuge area. I don't know, maybe just nothing, but it's been kind of bugging me. I said, I got to go back there and just at least check it out, see where it goes. But yeah, we're just celebrating life today. Just getting out and enjoying the weather. I'm wearing all black. But it's only going to be 96 degrees. But later in the week, it's going to get over 100. But let's walk and talk and let's go. Beautiful. Yeah, a little windy through here. Check these out. Very cool, like stylish little chairs. Let's see here. Mill Pond Refuge Ecosystem. Okay. Some nice benches just to sit here and enjoy the ditch. Well, I just hope a train doesn't come. I'll be a sitting duck. It doesn't look like a train has come this way in quite some time. Well, let's walk up this way a little bit just to see what's around the corner. Famous last words for me. Well, like life, the railroad tracks and the railroad just keep going. It keeps going straight for the most part. Can't stop it without some horrible calamity. That's why each and every day I get up and I go, thank you for another day. I can't believe it. And I have this little silly saying that I have that I say almost every day, and that is, it's all gravy. It is all gravy. And what I mean by that is I didn't think I was going to make it this far. I really didn't. Let's say I, expired, say 15 years ago, for example. So I didn't expire. I kept thriving. I kept working. Kept living, and from 15 years ago to today, that's all gravy. That's all a gift. Every day, every year is just another gift, because I am able to see, hear, speak, smell, taste. And that's a gift. It's all gravy. So it's not always a dead end. There's ways around it, or ways around your problems. All has to do with just finding a way around. Sometimes you just have to give it up to higher powers if it's out of your hands. If there's something you can do about it, then go ahead and try to do something about it. If there's no way that you can do anything about it, then just let it be. Hopefully it'll work out in the best for you and everyone involved. Again, I'm no guru. I'm no expert. I'm not an expert in anything. I just like to share my life and what I've learned throughout these many years, and hopefully someone out there is interested and maybe might be helped by things I say or that I've experienced. That's all you can hope. Wow. I was thinking those boxes look like beehives, and I see this sign right here. It says, "Caution, do not enter honeybees beyond this point." I don't think I've ever seen beehives or honeybee homes in person. It's like someone has some kind of makeshift garden here. Maybe that's for the bees and the bugs and all that. Wow, that seems excessive. I don't know what the heck all that is. Cutest little houses around here. Wow, check out this little community garden right here. Now, I think I've seen this before, a long time ago, but it must have been when nothing was growing. This is really cool to see a lot of plants in their mid-growth. Got some grapes going there. Strawberries. Big old tall sunflower. Oh, and you can't forget the tomatoes. I see you. You think you're hiding. Oh, good, this gate's open. I thought I was locked in and have to walk about a mile around to get back where I was. Oh, thank goodness. Now, I did get someone back here that kind of really got after me for filming. They go, "What are you filming for? Can I help you?" And I thought, wow, there goes the serenity of the walk and the relaxation just right out of the air. But I understand it. They don't know what I'm doing. Even if I told them exactly what I was doing, they'd say, "I don't care." So, got to put up with those people. Not everybody has the same attitude. Well, we're back on track. Get it? Get back on track, like a railroad track. Want to thank each and every one of you for your views, for your subscriptions. I just really touches me. Just very heartfelt thanks. The only thing I do wish, and maybe a little favor, is please watch till the end. Sometimes the main subject is at the end, and I get my statistics, and out of a 20-minute video, let's say, about 8 minutes was the average watch time. I'm going, "Oh, you must have missed this or that," and I get comments that say, "Hey, I wish you would name this or that," and they give me suggestions on what something is, and I'm going, I actually found that out and said that in the video. Or a lot of times I'll just take the camera right up into the sign of where I'm at, maybe later in the video. So hopefully it's not that boring where you want to get out. I try to put as much effort in the beginning as the middle and the end. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi. Always too excited about something over there. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty. Look at you. Well, we've come full circle, and now I know what the mill pond looks like. But it was a nice walk around the area. It's funny how life is. You're up 1 minute, down the next. When I was walking around, I was just really enjoying it. Then someone yells at me for filming. There goes the mood. Then I just met the nicest lady with the beautiful dog. Brought me back up. I need to work on that practice of keeping things even keel. Well, moving on. See what else we can see. Wow, what is this place? Looks like a hacienda. Oh, looks like a nice home right in the middle of Rio Grande. Now, I've shown this before. Very cool store, Camino 66. But I love to mix in the old with the new. Place always fascinates me the way it's so colorful. Really love it. Really quite pretty. People are in such a hurry. Jeez. Just going as fast as they can so they can hit that red light. I heard someone the other day, I think it was on the radio or something, and this guy expression just matched my thinking exactly, and he says, slamming it to the red light. I understand we have to get to work, we've got to get to loved ones, we've got to get to the doctor, what have you. We've got to get where we're going, but let's try to get there safely. Okay, across the street I go like a nutcase. Try not to get run over. I had to see this truck. How cool is this? F-100 Ford pickup. Turquoise and white. I like it. Looks like it really belongs here. Some kind of concert venue. Wow, those are quite pretty. I have no idea what they are. And you know what? I don't have to know what they are. I just enjoy them. I don't have to know and label everything. I love this pot. Cooking some chilies at Monica's. Now them there are some big old scissors. Oh yeah. Well, Bigfoot's having a tranquil day. Look at that. He's got a dragonfly friend, some quail, bright sunny day with some flowers and a butterfly. I swear there's always something more to capture as you walk around. Even the same areas. It's amazing. Love it. It's the culture and the history just keeps on giving. People say, well, aren't you going to run out of things to do if you just do Albuquerque and New Mexico? I've barely touched New Mexico, just a few towns. But there's always some more nooks and crannies, interesting spots. That's what my channel is all about, is just finding those little interesting spots that people drive by all the time but don't really get a chance to see unless you actually get out and walk around. A lot of people don't like to walk around these neighborhoods. And I can understand that, but I don't know. I just feel blessed. And if it's my time to go, it's my time to go. Like I say, it's been gravy for many, many years. What a nice walk. I always encourage people to get out and walk around, whether it's just around your neighborhood or drive somewhere. Just walk around. You don't have to walk fast. Just stroll and look at whatever you're interested in. Architecture, flowers, construction, city planning, parks, what have you, wildlife, birds. And either go by yourself and just be real quiet, or take a loved one with you. And you don't have to be in deep conversation. Just be together and be quiet and enjoy the nature, and just be thankful for having a chance to come into this world, whether it's some good times or some real bad times. At least we are fortunate to be chosen to come into this life, and we just do the best we can with it. Just love that security gate there. Wow. I love when people just take something that's functional and ordinary and put a bunch of genius art into it. Someone left some food out. That's nice. Well, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you so much for coming along. It was a nice walk. We mixed a little bit of the new with the familiar, and just enjoyed the walk. Now it's time to head out and get some things done. Thanks again for joining me. I'll see you soon. See you very, very soon. Take care of yourself and those around you. Bye for now. Those people, they scared the snot right out of me. I did my outro, then looked up and there was someone right there in my face. I jumped. Gotta go get some gas in it. Now it's got some gas in it.